Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox a modded Atari Flashback X with 800 games. It comes with a 110 from manufacturer and there is a way to add more. So this one has more, it has 800 Atari games. This is all we have here. So this is the console. Atari Flashback X. We have two controllers. One of them is primary with menu, select, start and rewind buttons. Second controller, we plug in both controllers here and there. HDMI, so you can connect it to any modern TV or monitor or projector, anything with HDMI input. The console does not come with a HDMI, but I got here HDMI cord. Comes without it from manufacturer, unfortunately. You can use any. Also, it does not come with a power adapter, so we use our own. And with a flash drive where we have the added games. Connects very easily, like this. And then, so this is secondary controller. I'm gonna put it into seconds, just like that. One here, one there. HDMI, one side goes to here and then the other goes to your TV or monitor, and this is power. We use this splitter to connect the flash drive, so this one goes in there. Very simple. Controllers, HDMI and splitter for flash drive. On the other side comes like this, female for power cord and power adapter. Now we turn it on like this, you see, on. So now it's on. Then you have your remote and you need to choose your input. So you choose your input. And then we got here. Then we got the music. This is the original menu. I'm going to show you how everything works. So it's pretty simple. These are the games. These are the ones that come from manufacturer. You can go alphabetically. And you go down and then you can go through the menu. So it's 110 games from manufacturer. If you want to go to added games, you do it here and you go down, 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 external USB drive. And that's where we have all the added games. And these are the games. They're without pictures. This way it works better. This way it loads faster and everything. Here you can see all the games. I'm gonna go through them real quick. There will be a games list in the description. I will also put a link to where you can buy one like this, if they still have some. First, we're going to try to play some games that already come with the console. You just go here, and then you go to, you can choose different way of like from here or from here, and just go from here, and I'll just pick something that I think I can manage to play, because bowling, blackjack. After you got in some game, you can also switch the game. You can go to like this from this menu. So this is controller, menu for save, load, select, start, rewind. Like this, like that. Second controller for second player. Then here we can change the difficulty. Game select, I'm not sure, I never use this one. Game reset, if something is not working right away or you cannot press, just like sometimes, occasionally it happens in the beginning, just like do like this. And you just reset it and then it goes well, okay? And we have here difficulty, A or B, like this. I think A is easy, B is hard. And turn on, turn off. As through it's Atari Climber. Novice. If some game does not work very well, you can just like do the reset switch on the console. So now we're gonna be smarter with this one. So we just wait, and then we go up, and then we go quickly here, and then we go here, and then we go there, and then we wait a second, we go up, and then we go up, and then we go here, and then we go there. Oh yeah, I did it, okay. No, I want. Okay. Anyway, this is the game. If you want to go to the menu, you can do like this, and you can save the game. You have save slots here. You press red button. You have 5 slots per game. Total available save slots 249. It says. Okay, so it means we have a limited amount of. Do we have limited amount of saves per game? Okay, we're gonna try to save it here. Then if we go to menu, we can quit the game. And then if we want to play the game again, play the game. And then if we want to load, here we have, it gets to the menu where we have save slot 1. And as we remember, the others were empty. Okay, or start a new game. Just like that. So press red button and we're here again on the 2nd level. And this time we're gonna try to be better. What did I do? Oh. Yep. Now they go in faster, huh? And I'm slow. Anyway. We go to the menu, we want to save slots, we press fire, then we can, do we want to save to another slot? Let's try here. And we save it there, right? And if we go to quit the game and play some other game and then come back to this game, we already have 2 save slots here. And this is 1 and this is 2. You can see 1, 2, right? And this one were never saved. So then we go to the menu and we go, okay, we have to choose something, right? We can just go to the menu. Okay, so let's just fire this one. We go to the menu. We want to quit and play something else, right? We press like this, quit game, and then we want to back to the menu. We press menu button on the controller, we get back. Now let's try to play some games that were added. One of these, right? Go right, and then we can go bottom, and then we can go this way. It's everything simple, just like this. You go here, you go there, you go up, you go back here, you go here, you go here, and then you can go there. Very simple. Now we gotta choose the game that I can play and not die right away, because these games are hard for me. Let's see here. I'll try to figure by name what can be easy kind of for me, right? Robin Hood. Let's try Robin Hood. There's a guy in the forest. If some game doesn't work right away, all you need to do is to press reset game on the console. So I shot him, he shot me, huh? Roadrunner, one of the added games. Okay, players. Okay, I'm the blue one. Okay, I can't stop him, guys. Oh, there's another car. Okay. I guess. Okay. Interesting. Press the menu, and again we can save. You press save slots. It has total available save slots 246. So that's because we used a few saves before. So it's 5 per game, but total is 250. So you may need to let's say we save this one, right? Then let's say we want to quit the game. We play it again. We have all our save slots, we have everything, so you can just play. Or what you can do, what else? You can go to save slots again from the menu, and here you can delete them, right? Are you sure? So you press down to delete, and yes, and it's empty. So fire to save, up to load, also fire to load, and down to delete, and menu to go back. Oof. That looks a bit weird. Anyway, what you can also do, I guess I jumped. What you can also do, you can rewind. You can rewind, you press this rewind button, and you go back in time. So see, now it's before. It's quite a lot of rewinding, to be honest with you, but if it's like to the very beginning, is it? Well, you can rewind pretty far back. So if you accidentally die or whatnot, you can always rewind and play from before. See, like this. Just like that. Easy. And then we can quit the game. Thank you very much for watching. This was Atari Flashback X with added games. 800 games.